Imagine walking along a pristine shoreline only to find it littered with colorful fragments of plastic. These demands of modern life might seem harmless, yet underneath, there is a crisis of staggering proportion. Plastic waste has entered every nook and corner of our planet, killing wildlife, compromising human health, and shaking ecosystems from their very core. This video essay looks at the immense impact of plastic pollution and our daily activities that shape this global problem, as well as what may be done to make a change.
Plastic pollution is a killing wildlife and devastating the ocean. Whales, turtles, and seabirds are choking on plastic. More than half of all sea turtles served have ingested it, and it's expected 99% of sea will have ingested by 2050. But it doesn't have to be this way.
Now let us look at microplastic and nanoplastic, which are smaller and invisible form of plastic, are emerging as a more serious health hazards. These micro and nanoplastics are generated through physical, biological, and chemical actions on plastic. Due to invisible nature, they can enter human body to use of products that contains a number of plastic items such as lipstick and consumption of seafood, etc. Scientists says that the plastic particles can reach stomach, and depending on their size, these plastics are either excreted, get entrapped in the stomach and intestinal lining, or move freely in body flow, such as blood, thereby reaching various organs and tissues of the body and create disease like heart attack and stroke. The 3 R's. First, reuse. Before throwing plastic away, think of how they could be used again. Use heavy-duty containers for storing. Refill water bottles and do creative stuffs like turning old plastic articles into new something else that is useful. Through reusing, the life cycle of plastic will be lengthened, hence staying out of landfills and the ocean. Next, reduce. The best way of managing plastic waste is to prevent them in the first place. Some of the ways to reduce plastic use are minimal packaged products, bulk purchases, and carrying one's bag and containers during purchase. By being conscious of what we consume in plastics, we reduce the burden on the environment. Finally, recycle. Proper sorting and recycling of plastic allows them to be reprocessed and manufactured into a new product. Stay informed on the best ways to recycle in your community and support initiatives that helps to improve local recycling. Though no silver bullets by any means, recycling is essential to tackling.
In conclusion, addressing plastic waste is not merely an environmental challenge but a collective responsibility that demands urgent action from individuals, communities, and government alike. By embracing sustainable practice, investing in innovation, recycling technology, and promoting awareness, we can significantly reduce our plastic footprint. Each small change contribute to a large movement toward a healthier planet. Together we have the power to turn the tide on plastic pollution and create a future where our ocean and landscape are free from the burden of waste. Let's take action today for a cleaning tomorrow.